chance of rain 70%. For Thursday night, a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Much warmer with lows around 60. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. For Friday, showers in...
Oh no, Lucas doing it.
I'm resting it.
There we go.
Listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were
Oh my God, are you okay?
weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally,
Should have captured that.
Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast.